The inlet casing, or bell mouth, provides a smooth transition flow of air from the air inlet duct and into the compressor. The bell mouth contains the thrust bearing and main bearing 1. These can be accessed from the accessories compartment. The first row of stationary vanes are called the IGVs, or inlet guide vanes. These rotating vanes are used to regulate the amount of air entering the compressor during startup and optimum operation. The IGV actuator is connected to a large geared ring around the inlet of the compressor. Each IGV has a pinion gear meshed to this ring, and movement of the ring results in equal simultaneous movement of all inlet guide vanes. The compressor is a 17-stage axial flow unit. Each set of rotating blades and stationary blades make up a stage. The numbering is unique, as the first stage is the 0 stage. R0, R1, R2, up to row 16 are the rotating blade stages. The rotating blades force the air into progressively smaller spaces as the air passes through the compressor. Temperature and pressure rise as the air is passed through the compressor stages to the final section, called the compressor discharge casing. Stage 11 of the compressor serves several unique purposes. During run-up of the CT, this stage is bled off to the turbine exhaust via the 2 compressor bleed valves for compressor surge protection. This extraction air is also used during startup for sealing air for all bearings. Once the machine is synchronized, the CBVs close and the air is redirected through the compressor. Stage 5 of the compressor is used for bearing sealing air. Once the machine is up to operating speed, a diaphragm-actuated valve redirects 5th stage air and blocks off the 11th stage air. Once the air has exited the compressor, it will flow to the combustion system at approximately 200 psig and 700 degrees Fahrenheit. Compressor air at the discharge casing is used for fuel gas header purge air during startup and inlet bleed heat air. The compressor discharge casing is a 2-part system made of 2 cylinders. The inner cylinder surrounds the compressor rotor and houses the number 2 bearing. This inner cylinder is held in position by 8 struts, connecting it to the inside of the outer compressor discharge cylinder.